Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Noclip blocks in Geometry Dash. Noclip blocks are special objects that allow the player to move through them without taking any damage or dying. This technique is often used for creative level design or to create unique gameplay segments. We will explore the in-game editor tools to achieve this effect, ensuring your levels offer a fresh challenge or a hidden path for players to discover. To begin, open your level in the editor and select the object you wish to make into a Noclip block. Once selected, navigate to the Edit Object menu. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled No Collision or No Touch. Activating this setting will instantly remove the object's ability to harm the player, allowing them to pass right through it. This is the fundamental step for creating any Noclip element. For a truly seamless Noclip experience, you can make these blocks invisible. First, assign a unique group identification number to all your Noclip blocks. Next, place an alpha trigger in your level. Edit the alpha trigger to target the specific group ID you assigned to your Noclip blocks. Then, set the opacity to 0 and the fade time to 0. This will make the blocks disappear instantly when the player reaches the trigger, creating an invisible pathway. Beyond simple invisibility, you can use move triggers to dynamically shift Noclip blocks, creating moving safe zones or appearing platforms. Assign a group ID to your Noclip blocks and a move trigger to that group. Adjust the X and Y movement values and the move time for precise control. Always test your level extensively to ensure all Noclip elements function as intended, providing a smooth and engaging experience for anyone playing your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.